Good afternoon, and welcome to the John F. Kennedy High School Honor Roll Assembly for the second market period. I'm Mr. Hirschfeld, the 10th grade administrator here at Kennedy. Today, we are honored to have you join us to acknowledge your dedication to your pursuit of academic excellence. To begin, we will hear a few words from our principal, Dr. Rubens.
Good afternoon, Cavaliers. Welcome to our second marking period virtual honor roll ceremony. In these unprecedented times, it's great that you guys have continued to focus on your academics, to be positive and contributing members to the school environment, and continuing to advocate and communicate clearly with your teachers on your needs. I am so proud of each and every one of you. Congratulations.
Thank you, Dr. Rubens. We are so impressed by the number of you who have worked to achieve this incredible honor. Personally, I am so proud of each and every one of you. I know achieving honor roll is no small feat, but you were able to achieve this during distance learning with your hard work and dedication. Through all the challenges that virtual learning brings, you persevered and excelled, and we could not be more proud. At this time, I would like to introduce our resource counselor, Ms. Gamble, who will acknowledge those of you who made the principal's honor roll with a GPA of 4.0.
Congratulations to all the students that made the principal's honor roll list. It is my pleasure to announce the following students. Maya Abadair, Musin Abumacha, Lordslove Achu, Valeria Alvarado, Jack Amaya Casco, Michaela Akra, Kathamak Aquino Solis, Suhani Ariel, Brian Beria Umana, Ricky Bagoza, Jacqueline Benitez Ramos, Joshua Birmingham, Richard Chen, Christina Casamino, Megan Cox, Lydia Demisi, Ken Felix, Andres Guerrera, Jennifer Hernandez Cabrera, Jennifer Hernandez, Ethan Ku, Monif Yolua Kuti, Connie Kuchmihendo, Layla Lang, Declan Lawless, Nathan Wu Lee, Alexis Mercedes, Lucy Morrison, Andrea Murillo, Kevin Yuen, Jocelyn Nolasco, Nathan Pereira, Kaya Pasiledo, Francesca Quintina, Elijah Robinson, Stephanie Romero, Irvin Sanchez, Gabriela Santiago dos Santos, Karen Santos Ayala, Jessica Satz, Chantel Smith, Edwina Talibert, Frank Shatat Jamu, Brooke Tewachu, Cameron Tizer, Arani Vactor, Penina Wanchiku, James Wong, Elidaha Zelalim, Karen Aguilon Sandoval, Ephraim Alameahu, Oliver Avalar Rodriguez, Hiwat Ayalu, Brock Barnett, Ksenia Benz, Imani Coward, Rafaela Dos Reyes, Ashley Duran, Yafet Bezinza, Finan Floresmi, Luis Fuenzalida, Angelica Garcia Tenorio, Leilani Gonzalez, Sharista Jan, Brooklyn Johnson, Farisha Khan, Catherine Lee, Zamone Lizizia, Karen Lynn, Kiri Megana Alvarado, Vivian Mai, Emmanuel Marquez Castro, Kathy May Dubon, Rachel Bolembi, Nayeli Morales, Laura Nangeri, Gabriel Gansi, Elvin Oriana Mejia, Bengi Pai, Ulissa Perez Reyes, Guillermo Portilla Vallejos, Stephanie Raperez Flores, Maurice Serpas, Jesse Vasquez Lopez, Jorge Velcampo Gomez, Henry Vilela Mochoro, Zeriros Abebe, Antonio Achu, Brianna Acosta Citala, Pia Alde, Rebecca Almieu, Bright Amioko, Timothy Barrios, Michael Bond, Kareme Bravo, Nicole Contreras, Rosemary Dincy Santana, Lilith Eagle, Carl Evans, Mahamage Fernando, Nicole Frost, Diana Gomez Sanchez, Alejandra Gonzalez, Zakha Gaye, Salmata Gaye, Brianna Holiday, Emily House, Niha Islam, Adelina Jambere, Agnile Cohen, Crystal Miamo Fukam, Emily Martinez, Elite Meritieb, Michael Nyen, Hannah Paul Samuel Boaz, Luis Bill Perez, Misael Ramos Amaya, Brianna Santos, Jenna Saison, Honk Dat Tai, Yu Tin Win, Alexis Womack, Ibitsiem Saman, Eileen Iglian Vasquez, Alexa Amaya, Alejandra Armindo Martinez, Stephanie Bigoza, Ezekiel Bonilla Garcia, Donna Carceta, Johannes Carsteta, Jennifer Castillo, Yasmin Cruz, Samantha Cruz, Kelly Dang, Rachel Doreras Hernandez, Rendelova Fanai, Sofia Gomez, Basaru Gumbala, Eden Gusa, Rio Gutierrez, Allison Hahn, Ariful Haig, Michelle Jordan Jordan, John Paul Kariktian, Hewan Kidamariam, Ezra Klein, Tibet Koktutem, Anthony Lee, Sion Lemmy, Rukitu Mama Sambo, Daniela Mija Aguilar, Elias Murguia, Yapyet Matritiem, Binayim Minda, Madvine Mudongo Steph, Jessica Mullings, Meridian Pavninan, Marcela Perez Armas, Faza Rafiq, Christian Regis, Panjavion Reth, Rosa Rodriguez, Erica Rubio, Faven Shonga, Donna Tobal, Jonas Toachu, Genevieve Trayor, Daniel Trong, Yoon Tu, Saley Ven, Nichelle Washington, Joanne Wong, Maria Youssef, and Tina Zhang. Congratulations once again for a job well done.
Thank you, Ms. Gamble. As we conclude our assembly today, I just want to once again congratulate each and every one of you on this tremendous accomplishment. We will leave you today with the names of all the students who made the honor roll with a GPA of 3.0 to 3.9. Thank you for attending, and we hope you have a safe and happy weekend. Take care.